Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply add a new delivery address in your Shein app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idofish or Shein shopping app or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Shein app. The next thing you need to do is to click on Me. Then click on the setting icon. Then go to Address Book. Then click on Add a Shipping Address. Then it's going to take you right here. Here, you have to choose your location. So right here, click on here, and then make sure you choose your proper location right here. So I'm going to simply choose my location right here. So my current location here. So having choose your location, enter your first name, enter your last name, then enter your phone number right here. Then scroll down and enter the state. Then here you have to choose city. Then you have to choose districts. Everything has been set. Then you have to enter postal code or zip code. So if you don't know your state zip code, you can get that on Google. Then enter your address line 1. Then proceed to address line 2 if your address is more than this. Once you are done, you can make the address as your default if you would like. For you to make the address as a default address, turn on this particular button right here. Finally, come down below right here and click on Save. And the address is going to be saved right here, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial about Shein shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.